Hello, my name is Heather and I'm here with Angie and we're talking about how to make a pinch pot out of air dry clay today. So we've purchased the clay from a Walmart actually, and what we're gonna do is really simple. There's instructions in your little journal that Angie made for you, and so you can follow those instructions, and then what we're gonna do is really very simple. You'll get a ball of clay and we'll provide that to you. And you're gonna basically put your thumb right in the center of that clay. Now I'm gonna use my other thumb to just kind of pinch my way around, and I want to make this into a little bit of a bowl. Okay, it doesn't have to be huge, but we would potentially, if we were a Native American, want to drink out of it. This particular clay that we're using is not something that you can drink out of, however. So I just kind of want to round the edges. I'm making that little bowl there. I'm kind of pinching some of the spots that like kind of crack a little bit. I'm just kind of pinching them together around the side, making sure that that's a pretty sturdy area so I can do that. It doesn't matter what your bowl shape really looks like. Each person's is going to be a little bit different. I did put a little bit of a paper towel down here, and so that I can set it there. It does take about a day to dry, so you're going to want to make sure that once you finish it, you let it sit and air dry for about a day. So I've uncurled just a plain old paper clip, and so I have this little tool, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sheet on symbols and I'm gonna try and draw some of them on there. Should I also maybe put my initials on there? What do you think? All right, I'll do it. I'll put my initials on the bottom with an H and a G. Okay, so you kind of got to get used to how that works. It's not going to be perfect, all right? So don't get frustrated. Just do the best you can with making those little letters of your name, okay? You can wipe the extra on your paper towel as well. So before we started, I decided that I was gonna do the fish. So the fish is way down on the bottom. I'm not very artistic, so we'll see how my fish turns out. And I'm actually gonna put it in the bottom of my bowl, okay? So you can put your symbols wherever you want. So I'm just dragging the paper clip kind of in there. And maybe you're like me and you're not so much of an artist, and that is okay. Everybody has different things that they're good at. So I'm going to go back and look here again. So my fish kind of has a tail and he kind of has a little bit of an eye. So I might circle that on my sheet so I can share with mom and dad what symbol I put on there. You can do more than just one. So if I want to do many fish, I put all those little kind of fun spikes around it. So I'm gonna try that now. I wanna try that and see if I like that. Okay, oh yeah, that looks totally fun. Looks like the fish is happy and he is like smiley and whatever. But let's say that I wasn't happy with this. What do you think I should do? Oh, look at that. You can start over. If you make a mistake, no big deal. Can I do it again? Of course I can. So just feel free to make your little pinch pot whatever you want. Just remember it starts with your thumb in the middle and you just kind of grab the sides just like this. And then the only thing you have to do for the symbol is use some sort of tool. It can be your pencil tip. It doesn't have to be the paper clip. It can be whatever you have at home or at school to help you finish your little pinch pot. So it doesn't look exactly the same. Could it be a square? Give me whatever you want, okay? Maybe put my name, initials on the bottom again. And should I do a symbol? Yeah, at least, I don't know, maybe 2 symbols we would like to have you do, and then put your initials at the bottom. So at least 2 symbols. I've got my initials on the bottom, and then I'll put my symbols anywhere. I can put them on the side if I like, or on the bottom of my pot too. And then how long do I need to let it rest and kind of like air dry? About a day. All right. If you have any questions, let Miss Angie or I know and we'll help you out. All right. Take care. Bye.